60-inch PTO snow blower assembly guide. Open the shipping crate. Remove all parts from inside the crate. Open the document tube and grab the manual. Remove the lifting ring and screw it into the threaded hole in the middle of the machine. Lift out the main unit out and prepare for assembly. Take off the chute linkage. Install the chute cover. Remove the bolts at both ends of the telescopic rod. Install the telescopic pole and tighten the bolts. Note, the telescoping rod must face downward. Mount the snow discharge chute onto the main unit. Use hardware pack-up. Install the guide rollers on both sides of the chute. Note, both guide rollers must clamp the chute snugly and securely. Remove the front screw from the manual crank and attach it to the drive gear base. Install the drive gear base, ensuring the spacer block is inserted. Secure the gear base using hardware pack B. Loosen the second screw on the manual crank, adjust the handle length, and retighten the screw. Apply lubricant to all bearings marked with the grease indicator tag. Note, protective cover removed for demonstration purposes only. End users should not remove it. Remove the turning shaft, the limit pin at the top of the clutch end. Make sure the beveled side of the pin faces down and inserts into the spline groove. Slide the clutch end of the drive shaft into the keyway. Insert the pin sideways and tighten the nut. Connect the assembly to the tractor linkage. Attach the drive shaft to the tractor's PTO shaft to press the top safety lock. Test everything before you start: chute rotation, limits, opening, closing, and snow blower operation. If all works smoothly, the unit is ready for use.